Okay, so let's suppose you have the WordPress website and you forgot the password, or any reasons you are not going to log in with your account. So first of all, you need the cPanel access or any kind of panel that you have. In these examples, I have a cPanel. If you have a cyber panel or any kind of panel, the process is same. So first of all, go to the PHP MyAdmin, or in simple words, access your database. So here, as you can see, this is the database I am using with this particular website. So now find the users. Just click on this one, or you can find the user, this one. Both are the same things. So now, as you can see, you have the login username. As you can see, this is the login username. Copy this one and save this in a file like Notepad++. Okay, so this is your password. So I'm going to change the password. Just added this one. Now, as you can see, this is the password field. It's now encrypted. So that's why it's showing like this. So the new password which you are going to use, just use the new password. So let's suppose I'm saying my password, and make sure from the drop down you have to select MD5. So as you can see, MD5. So you have to select MD5 and use your password here. So I'm going to keep the password like this and just go to the go button and click on this one. You have successfully updated the password. Make sure this is the username. Okay. So now if you go to the website, so this is the website. So if you log in with your account, WP admin, in this time, this is the password. This is the password, new password. And make sure this is the username that we have. Just click on the login button. Okay, so it's saying insecure password. So that means you need a special type of password. So let's suppose I'm saying $, double eight, double hash. Fine. So now once again, apply the same process. I did this one because that was the easy password. Paste the password here, select the MD5, click the enter button. Once again, copy this one and paste this. So this is not a simple password. So that's why you are going to log in with your account. So you have successfully logged in with your account. So in this way, you can change your WordPress password from the cPanel or any kind of panel that you have.